Although Lalba's production level is backward, the range of manufacturing and the ability of small workshops to turn waste into treasure are truly impressive. Those who have driven a tractor should not be unfamiliar with this kind of product made by Lalba. Its structure is relatively simple. It consists of the body and the pull ring. The iron rod you see here is used to make the core. The worker uses a punching machine to cut it to standard sizes. The cutting sound is crisp and clear. The process looks relieving. After cutting it to about 8 to 9 centimeters in length, the worker immediately uses a welding machine to heat one end of the iron rod to a red-hot temperature, and then process it like this. At this point, about 80 to 90% of the body is completed. After cooling, the young worker uses a machine to remove the burrs. The large body is basically like this. You can see that during the shaping stage, numbers are stamped on the top. This worker makes a hole at the bottom end. The hole does not need to go through completely. In addition, another hole is drilled misaligned on the opposite side. As for why, you will understand later. Thus, the body preparation is complete. Next comes the making of the pull ring. Lalba still uses the method of turning waste into treasure. First, the young worker dismantles a steel cable. Because this steel wire is tougher than ordinary iron wire, there is no need to buy new wire to make pull rings. The whole wire is wound and shaped by machine, then cut like this, so it separates into individual rings. Before officially assembling with the body, the pull rings must undergo heat treatment to remove internal stress and improve toughness. After heat treatment comes assembly. The two ends of the pull ring are inserted into the holes, arranged in a staggered way, which indirectly applies force to the ring, so that the other side tightly fits against the body, serving a locking function for all these parts. The final step is without exception electroplating, but to improve the effect, degreasing and pickling are essential. After the surface is cleaned of oil and rust, it can be put into the plating bath. After about 10 minutes, the body comes out silver white. To make its final color appear copper, it must undergo a replacement process in this solution, so that the surface turns copper colored. Finally, after dehydration and drying, a tractor pin is completed.